Ever feel lost in the digital marketing jungle? Drowning in jargon like SEO, SEM, content marketing, social media algorithms? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a clear, actionable path to digital marketing success? A roadmap that takes you from complete beginner to confidently driving traffic, leads, and sales? Well, grab your virtual compass, because today we're laying out your digital marketing roadmap for 2025. This isn't just theory, it's a step-by-step guide you can implement right now. Before we even about tactics, we need to understand two crucial things. What are you trying to achieve? More website traffic? Higher conversion rates? Brand awareness? Lead generation? Clearly defining your goals is like setting your GPS destination. Next, who are you trying to reach? What are their demographics, psychographics, pain points, and aspirations? Creating detailed buyer personas is non-negotiable. The better you understand your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your message. Take the time to genuinely answer these questions. It's the bedrock of all your future digital marketing efforts. Okay, foundation laid. Now let's talk about your digital home base, your website. Even if you're primarily on social media, a professional, optimized website is crucial for credibility and control. 1. Website essentials. Make sure it's mobile responsive, loads quickly, and has clear calls to action. It should be easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Fundamentals. This is how you get found when people search on Google. We're talking keywords, on-page optimization, and creating high-quality, valuable content. Think about what your ideal customer is searching for, and then create content that answers those questions and uses those keywords naturally. Don't keyword stuff. Google is smarter than that. Now that your website is ready, it's time to fill it with amazing content. Content is how you attract, educate, and engage your audience. 1. Blog posts and articles. These establish you as an authority, provide value, and are fantastic for SEO. 1. Video content. YouTube, Reels, TikTok. Video is exploding. It's engaging, shareable, and builds a strong connection with your audience. 1. Infographics and visuals. Easy to digest, highly shareable, and perfect for explaining complex information. 1. Podcasts and audio content. Reach people on the go. Podcasts are great for deep dives and building a loyal following. The key? Consistency and value. Don't just create content for the sake of it. Focus on solving your audience's problems and answering their questions. You've got your amazing website and fantastic content. Now how do you get it in front of people? Enter social media and email marketing. 1. Social media marketing. Don't try to be everywhere. Focus on the platforms where your target audience hangs out. A. Organic social. Consistent posting, engaging with your audience, using relevant hashtags, and understanding each platform's algorithm. B. Paid social, social media ads. Highly targeted advertising that can reach precise demographics. This is where you can really scale your reach. 1. Email marketing. Still one of the most powerful digital marketing tools. Build an email list and nurture those leads. Offer a valuable incentive, a lead magnet, to encourage signups, and then send regular, valuable content, promotions, and updates. This builds trust and keeps you top of mind. While organic efforts are vital, paid advertising can significantly accelerate your growth, especially if you have a budget. 1. Search engine marketing, SEM, Google Ads. Bid on keywords to appear at the top of search results. Perfect for capturing demand when people are actively searching for solutions. 1. Display advertising, banner ads on websites and apps. Great for brand awareness and remarketing to people who have already visited your site. 1. Retargeting, remarketing. showing ads specifically to people who have previously interacted with your website or content. This is incredibly effective. Paid advertising requires careful budgeting and continuous optimization, but the ROI can be immense. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. The most successful digital marketers are constantly analyzing, optimizing, and adapting. 1. Analytics tools. Google Analytics is your best friend. Understand where your traffic comes from, what content performs best, and where users drop off. 1. A/B testing. Test different headlines, calls to action, ad creatives, and even website layouts to see what resonates best with your audience. Small changes can lead to significant improvements. 1. Stay updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. New platforms, algorithm changes, and emerging trends mean you need to be a lifelong learner. This feedback loop is crucial for sustainable growth. Don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working. So there you have it, your complete digital marketing roadmap. From understanding your goals and audience, building your digital hub, creating amazing content, spreading the word, leveraging paid ads, and continuously optimizing, every step is vital. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, implement consistently, and keep learning. The digital world is your oyster. If you found this roadmap helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more digital marketing insights, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest digital marketing challenge right now?